Imagine this. You're living paycheck to paycheck, barely making ends meet, yet you're dreaming of owning your own home. The idea of stepping into a place that's yours, a place to build memories, grow your wealth, and create stability for yourself and your family seems almost impossible, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that with a low income, you can buy your own home? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that dream a reality. Hello, welcome back to Think and Grow Rich channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the best personal finance, success mindset, and wealth building strategies. Now, let's dive into today's topic, how to buy a house with a low income. Yes, it's possible. And I'm going to walk you through the steps in a way that's simple, actionable, and most importantly, motivating. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed thinking about home ownership, let's change that mindset and transform it into a strategy for success. Step 1, know your financial situation. Before anything else, you need to get a clear picture of where you stand financially. A lot of people looking to buy a home with low income skip this step, and it's a huge mistake. Sit down, grab your bank statements, and figure out exactly how much you earn versus what you spend. Be brutally honest with yourself. Include everything: your rent, utilities, credit card bills, student loans, and anything else. Don't forget to factor in any irregular expenses like medical bills or car maintenance. The goal here is to get your budget in order because knowing what you have to work with is key to making your dream home a reality. Let me give you an example. Let's say you earn $35,000 a year. That's about $2,900 a month before taxes. After taxes, you're looking at a little less, maybe $2,200. Now you have to account for expenses like your current rent, car payments, insurance, groceries, etc. The idea here is to understand exactly where your money is going so you can start working towards saving for a down payment. Step 2, create a savings plan for your down payment. Once you know your financial situation, it's time to start saving. The idea of saving for a down payment on a house might seem daunting, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck, but it's not impossible. The first thing you need to do is set a target. Typically, a down payment is around 20% of the home's price, but you can go for as little as 3% with certain programs, which makes it more affordable than ever. Let's break this down with an example. Let's say you're looking at homes in your area that are around $150,000. A 3% down payment would be $4,500. I know that might still sound like a lot of money, but it's more achievable than you think, especially when you break it down into smaller, manageable goals. If you can save $500 a month, you'll have that $4,500 in just 9 months. It's all about prioritizing your savings. Start cutting back on any non-essentials. Can you limit dining out? Maybe cut down on subscription services or reduce impulse purchases. Small sacrifices can add up quickly when you stay focused on your goal. Step 3, find programs for low-income homebuyers. Here's where things get exciting. There are several government programs designed specifically for low-income homebuyers. For example, the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, offers loans that require as little as 3.5% down. You can also explore USDA loans if you're buying in a rural area, which sometimes require no down payment at all. VA loans are another fantastic option for veterans that don't require a down payment. Let me give you a scenario. Let's say you're interested in an FHA loan. You've already saved up your down payment, but you're still worried about the rest of the costs: closing costs, mortgage insurance, and interest rates. Here's the good news. FHA loans have relatively low interest rates and are forgiving when it comes to lower credit scores, which is often a concern for people with limited income. They're designed to help people like you become homeowners, so don't be afraid to explore these options. Step 4, improve your credit score. This one is critical, especially if you're trying to buy with a low income. Lenders are looking for your ability to repay, and a strong credit score plays a huge role in this decision. Don't worry, improving your credit score doesn't have to take years. Start by paying off any outstanding debts or collections, making sure your bills are paid on time, and reducing credit card balances. A higher credit score means you'll get better loan offers with lower interest rates, which saves you money in the long run. Step 5. Consider a cosigner or a joint loan. If you're struggling to qualify on your own, consider getting a cosigner or applying for a joint loan with a family member or friend. While this might feel like a big step, it's a common strategy for low-income buyers. Just remember, a cosigner is agreeing to take on the responsibility if you can't make the payments, so it's important to have open, honest communication about your finances before going down this route. Step 6. Shop around for the best mortgage rates. Once you're ready to start the mortgage process, shop around for the best rates. Don't settle for the first offer you get. Different lenders will offer different terms, and a small difference in rates can add up to thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Use mortgage comparison tools online, and don't hesitate to reach out to a mortgage broker for expert advice. To recap, buying a house on a low income isn't just a pipe dream. It's totally achievable with the right strategy. Start by understanding your finances, create a savings plan for a down payment, explore government programs designed for low-income home buyers, improve your credit score, and consider a cosigner or a joint loan if necessary. And always shop around for the best mortgage rates. It's all about making consistent, strategic moves that will put you in the best position to succeed. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone you know who might benefit from this advice. And don't forget to subscribe to the Think and Grow Rich channel for more inspiring content on personal finance and wealth building. You can do this. Your dream home is within reach. Now it's time to make it happen. Let me know in the comments what step you'll be taking first to move closer to owning your own home. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing forward, and remember, your financial freedom starts now.